Hi, I'm Ellen from Graco. I'm going to show you some tips on how to use your simple sway swing. During assembly, make sure to connect the wires inside the tubes. Check that they are fully connected by gently pulling on them. Tuck the wires away before connecting the tubes for swing assembly. For proper swing stability, first check that all legs are properly assembled and are fully spread on a hard, level floor. To use the vibration feature, unsnap the fabrics to access the battery compartment. Use a key or screwdriver to open the lid and insert one D-cell battery. Make sure the battery is new and placed correctly according to the diagram shown, and snap fabrics back in place and reassemble. To test the vibration, move the switch from the off middle position to the left position for low vibration, or to the right position for high vibration. Once your swing is assembled, plug in your swing using the AC adapter provided into a power source to ensure your motor works. Then turn the speed selection dial clockwise to one of the speed numbers. Wait a few seconds for the swing to start. If the swing doesn't start, increase its speed slightly, wait, and repeat. If needed, give it a gentle push to begin. If the swing still doesn't start, reset speed to 0 and try plugging into a different power source. For battery use, use a key or screwdriver to open the battery compartment and insert 4 new D-cell batteries of the same brand. Make sure they are all placed correctly according to the diagram shown. Always replace the entire set of batteries at one time. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please visit help.gracobaby.com.